Hey Don, it's me, Tabitha, with Beast Bay Digital out here in the East Bay. We spoke on the phone the other day. I wanted to send you this video to talk about 3 ways you can improve your online presence and ultimately get you more customers. With that, let's get into it. So the 3 things I want covering today is content, backlinks, and citations. These 3 are the most important things when it comes to ranking your website and bringing on new customers for your services. So I brought out your website here, and I gotta say it's actually really nice. I do like this dark tone with it. It has all these pictures, which are cool. Google loves content, and especially content with the right keywords. So you need about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your first page, and you have about 160. They also look at the photos, not the photos what they look like, but what they're saved as. And this one's just office photo here, but you can rename them to say like window cleaning, Oakland, California, gutter cleaning, Oakland, California, pressure washing, anything you want to rank up for and show up on Google for. You can change that too. If we look at your competitor, Mr. Sparkle, their first page doesn't have a lot, but what is ranking them up is their back pages or their services. On their services, each of their service has their own page, which has a lot of information and pictures, which is why they're so up there on Google search. The next thing I want to talk about is backlinks, and I have this tool called Ahrefs, and it's about $400 a month to use. It shows me how all of the sites are performing, and here are the backlinks. So backlinks are links on other people's websites referring back to your website, and not all backlinks are created equal. Not all backlinks are equal. You have to have really good quality backlinks on like relevant pages such as window cleaning. You can't have, if you have backlinks on say like Pizza Hut, that doesn't really bring much value to people who want pizza. So looking at your website again, you'll see the keywords that you're ranking for and the positions that you are on Google for these keywords. And the volume here is how many people search for these keywords a month, and that could be potential customers that you could be servicing. I've also brought up your competitors' information, and they're ranking for 246 words if you want to take a look at them. And they're ranking for the window cleaning and even pressure washing. They actually could be doing better than that. But yeah, you want to, on that content, you can really optimize on these keywords. So the last thing I want to talk about is citations. And citations are just your business information on Google. Or your Google My Business page, and it's essentially your information on any directory that you have online. And that will all kind of, the more citations you have, good citations, the more likely you'll end up in here, which is called the Google Map Pack. 30% of people actually click on this first when searching something up, like window cleaning Oakland, or pressure washing Oakland, or gutter cleaning Oakland. And I'm on this tool here called White Sparks, and it shows all your citations as well. And the more you maximize your claim with these citations on these websites, the more Google will realize your authority. And these 3 tips, content, backlinks, citations, these are all great ways that you yourself can even do to really optimize your website and really rank up on Google. So content, once again, is all the information you have on your first page and even for all your back pages to really bring value to your potential customers or all the users that might want to know about anything about window washing and cleaning, commercial cleaning. Second is backlinks, and those are the links that link back to your website, and you need good quality backlinks. And lastly is citations, which is your business listing on different directories, such as like Yellow Pages, Facebook, and Google, like Google My Business. So if you claim enough, you can get onto this map pack. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully we can move forward from here with like a strategy call. Do let me know, Dawn. Thanks so much for watching again, and hope you have a great day. Okay, bye.